Now gurus and new she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away. Take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, and be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Alipearl hair. Shout out to you, Alipearl, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. I also want to give them a special shout out for their patience. Honey, my Wi-Fi was down here, like down, for like a week, so it just made everything a struggle. So shout out to them for their patience with me getting this video done and all that good stuff. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking, it says it's 22 inches. Okay. It says piano colored, which is P4/27 highlight body wave unit. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. Is 180% density, and I have it in a medium cap size. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the link that they they sent me of this unit. Okay, so on their site it says Alipearl Highlight Wig, Real Human Hair Wig, Straight Ombre, 5x5, 13x4 Lace Front Wig. So I'm guessing you can also get this unit in a 5x5 if you wanted it. It says this unit comes in a straight or a body wave texture. You pick what you want. It's a mixed color. It's available in 16 to 30 inches. As I stated, they sent me 22. It says baby hair around slightly bleached knots and is glueless. Now I do want to go ahead and say it says slightly bleached knots, but in my opinion, this unit was very much bleached, girl. Okay, she was very much given the bleach. Okay, so in my opinion, even though it says that it's slightly bleached, I did not bleach this unit whatsoever, and I don't feel like you can really see the knots. You may see one here and here or there, but for the most part, I don't believe you can really see the knots. So there's that. Now you can get this wig, as they stated, in a straight texture if you like. As I stated, I got it in the body wave, and honey, I ain't know they had a closure, because you know your girl love a closure, but they do have on here a 5x5 closure in the title. Yeah, so it looks like you can get it in a 5x5 transparent lace, 5x5 HD lace, or you can get it in 13x4 transparent lace. And they did send me the 13x4, but you know your girl love a closure, girl. Okay, I love a closure, so that is also an option as well. Now with this particular wig, it does come with two combs in the front, one comb in the back with adjustable straps. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I did not notice any, but I did have to cut some hair when I was cutting around these ears, okay? So on both sides, because it was a little, the cap size was a little too big, which also leads me into this unit is very big head friendly, in my opinion. I feel like it's more so medium to large head friendly, and even if you are an average cap size like me, be prepared to have to cut off a lot of, you know, like excess lace like around this area. So it's definitely big head friendly. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Did I mention the shedding and tangling? Yeah, none of it, none of that straight out of the packaging. As far as it being pre-tweezed, I do feel like the unit came pre-tweezed. I did decide to do some baby hairs. The lace is transparent, but I still felt like the baby hairs would make it look better. You can tweeze it some more if you like. I opted out of it because I didn't necessarily feel like it was necessary. But you can do what you want to, baby girl. It's your wig. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the details and specs. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and length check, then please continue to watch. Alright girl, you already know what my con is, and my con is gonna be the fact that it's a 13x4. Now that being said, I do feel like the weft is all the way like back here, which it gives me more room than I am kind of used to, especially as of late. I feel like a lot of 13x4s, honey, they stopping like right there, okay? So it says 13x4 on the sides, you don't have as much, but right here in this general area, I do feel like you get more wiggle room for parting than I am used to with these sorts of units. So shout out to you, Alipearl, for that. But that still has to be my con, okay? I definitely prefer a closure over a 13x4 in my personal opinion. That's just me, honey. But with this one, I do feel like you get more parting space than you normally would with a 13x4. Alright, my pros is, first of all, I love this color. I feel like it is a safe blonde, and I keep kind of looking at myself because I'm feeling it, girl. I am feeling it. I am feeling all of the vibes with this unit. And you guys know I love these sort of units when it comes to this time of year. So I just love the color of it. I love the texture. I love how easy it was to style and curl. It didn't take a whole lot. Like, I love that about this wig. So, yeah, those are my pros with it. Yes, I would recommend this unit. I feel like it's a good date night wig. Is it vacation hair? Maybe not. In my opinion, body waves are just not vacation hair. But they are the perfect date night, va-va-voom sort of hair. You know what I mean? I feel like when you're going on a date, just a good, nice body wave, honey. And, you know, you make sure you spray her good, okay, so she can hold them curls. Hey, girl. But I just feel like they just give date night vibes to me. It just gives that, you know, that sex appeal to me. So, yeah, I definitely would recommend this wig. I love the color, so, yeah, I would recommend it. All right, y'all. So, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know also, do you feel like it's 22 inches or do you feel like it's a little longer? I'm kind of feeling like it's a little longer, but I'm not the tallest person in the world. So let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this wig. Once again, shout out to you, Alipearl, for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video. It is truly appreciated. And if you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or talk I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.